So the second one is the impulse, and it's also pretty straightforward. In this case, we are in the closed position. We are going to prepare in 3 and 4. So we go with the basic in 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you see in 3 and 4, we are going into bolero, we are going up, and we are bringing the follower to the outside. So as we can stay here in our side so that we create already some kind of opposite motion here. And on 5, we let go of this one and we lead with our left arm. And we push the follower to the outside. And we stay on the spot. So if we go one more time, we go 1, 2, pull and push. 6, 7. And on 7, we twist. So we rotate our upper body of the leaders and we go boom. With our rotation, because we have connection here, we can lead the follower to rotate as well in 7, 8, and then basic in 1.
For the movement, it's very important that our bodies are still straight and we are not rotated to each other. For the follower, it's optional. If you want to do a little arm styling, when he pushes you out, you can bring your arm up. It's important that you keep your shoulders down. And then when he rotates you here, that you bring your arm down, and also that you keep the tension in this arm and not lose it just and your shoulder goes back. So when he rotates here, you keep the tension.
We can also add a more dramatic effect by looking at the opposite sides during the impulso. So for example, we go in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and basic. From this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and let us know down below. Subscribe to our channel, check out these other videos that you are going to love. See you there.